Molweni. Okay, ngiyanibingelela. My name is Amanda, also known as Usisi Ulibongo, oyigama lami lasemzini. I'm here with
Usivuyiseni Lukhwengu. I'm the husband to this beautiful lady.
Okay, today I'm with my husband. We are going to play a game. Okay, a game is ihamba kanje. Since he's from a Xhosa tribe, I'm from a Zulu tribe. We are going to play a game in English just to know ubawazi ilanguage yomunye kunomunye. Yes. So I have 5 words. He has 5 words. He's going to ask me lawo magama ukuthi asho ukuthini ngesiXhosa, nami ngimbuze ukuthi asho ukuthini ngesiZulu amagama enginawo. So sizobala ke ukuthi ubani owinile ubani ohluliwe. So owinile uzokhushwa ngomunye. Deal. Okay. Mina, let me check my first word. My first word intoni iloli.
Iloli. Iloli is a truck.
Good.
Okay. Mnake, I'll give you a tip ne.
Okay.
Wonke amagama endizokubuza wona. It's associated with water. Ne?
Okay.
Intoni umthombo.
Oh, okay. Umthombo, it's emthonjeni wamanzi.
Intoni umthombo.
Umthombo ila kukhiwa khona amanzi.
Okay, emfuleni ayakhiwa amanzi.
La manzi amele.
Umthombo is a fountain.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll take that for now. But ndikuthipisile into yoba everything that I will ask is based on what. So kufuneka ube specific mawuphendule.
Okay, intoni umncintiswano?
Umncintiswano is it's a competition.
Good.
Intoni umlambo. Still associated with water. Ukuba bona abantu bakamaskandi nebabecola bafike beyatsho into yoba hey mina ndasela into ethile. Intoni umlambo.
Yabona ke guys, ngiyarobheka.
Abantu bakamaskandi ophuza ekhemisi kanje ufike beyatsho into yoba omnye usela uthukela, omnye usela
Okay, igama umlambo umfula.
Yes, umfula. Correct.
Okay.
So it's 2-2.
Yeah. Intoni uthango?
Uthango.
Yeneke lapha uthangweni.
Iline yokweneka.
Oyamile uthangweni.
Oh, like the wall. Umthangani.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Yes.
Yes. Hayi ngiqala ukulive apha eMpumalanga lo gama bengingalazi. Okay. Then igama lam lesithathu umbethe. Intoni umbethe? It's still associated with water.
Okay, umbethe.
Like ekuseni mama
amazolo.
Inamazolo.
Amazolo like phansi mangabe ekuseni kusamanzi phansi.
Yes, umbethe lo.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes. Elami intoni injongo?
Injongo. Ngokugogo wayesathengisa ke utywala like a jug kwakuthiwa umuntu makefumane la jug ufumane injongo.
Hayi
injongo yejuba or something.
Injongo
it's intentions.
Oh yes, I was talking about intentions. But ngiyazi le utshwala lokuthiwa injongo.
Lahlekanga. Okay, yes. Then mina igama lam lesine intoni umphunga. It's still associated with water.
Ngiyazi.
Okay, mawubilisa amanzi eketileni. Lanto ifika iphuma pha ibizwa
steam.
Yes, it's umphunga, steam.
Yeah. Okay. Elami lokugcina intoni umlingani?
Umlingani? Yeah, umlingani wami yamayiphatha. In crime.
Okay, we crime ngangikwazi kaze siboshwe. Okay, your last word?
I don't have the last word. Let me think anything that is associated with water. Amafu. Indoni amafu.
Amafu.
Yes. Still associated with water.
Amafu mosina ngazi ukuthi amafu isibhakabhaka. Amafu asisibhakabhakeni.
Yes, correct. So our magama ke they were based on evaporation. Small. So nizosinceda ngokuba ni like ni subscribe and then nisilandele. There's good content that is coming. Siyabulela kakhulu.
Peace.